What is black seed? Black seed, also known as Nigella sativa, is an ancient medicinal herb with many purported health benefits. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, from digestive issues to skin problems. While it may be beneficial in certain cases, as with any natural remedy, there are potential side effects that should be taken into consideration. This article will explore the possible side effects associated with black seed and provide information on safety and proper usage. Nutritional profile. Black seed oil has long been used as a traditional home remedy for a variety of ailments. Its health benefits have been known to many cultures around the world for centuries. Recent studies have revealed a wide range of health benefits associated with black seed, such as its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antifungal properties. The active compounds in the black seed can help boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and even fight off certain types of cancer cells. Benefits of black seed oil. For centuries, it has been used in many traditional and modern medical practices to treat a variety of ailments. The compounds found in black seed have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant properties which make it an effective remedy for many health conditions. Health conditions benefited. While it has traditionally been used to treat a variety of ailments, recent scientific research has confirmed some of the health benefits associated with black seed. In particular, studies have found that consuming black seed can help reduce inflammation, improve digestion and circulation, boost the immune system, and prevent certain chronic diseases. One study, which was published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, found that black seed could reduce inflammation and increase anti-inflammatory proteins. Used in traditional and holistic healing, to treat a wide range of ailments, it packs a powerful punch and has recently gained notoriety in the West for its purported health benefits. Studies have shown that black seed contains numerous compounds with potential therapeutic effects on human health, including anti-inflammatory and antifungal activity, and antihistamine properties which provide a wide range of therapeutic effects for numerous ailments. This small but mighty seed packs a punch containing over 100 chemical compounds including essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Research suggests that black seed may be beneficial in treating not just common illnesses such as coughs and colds but also more serious and chronic conditions. It is no wonder why this ancient natural remedy has seen a resurgence in popularity due to its many potential health benefits. Potential side effects. It is known for its many purported health benefits, but it is essential to be aware of any potential side effects before using it. In this article, we will discuss some of the possible side effects associated with black seed in order to help readers make informed decisions about its use. The most common side effect associated with the use of black seed oil is an allergic reaction. The substance can cause hives, skin irritation, and swelling, as well as difficulty breathing in some cases. Some people may experience nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Conclusion. Black seed, also known as Nigella sativa, has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It has been used in both traditional and modern medicine due to its potentially beneficial antifungal, antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties. While black seed is believed to have many positive effects on health, its it's important to be aware of the potential side effects associated with its use.